Starting online after 50 can feel overwhelming. So much information, so many platforms, strategies, and must-do steps.
But choosing a path that simplifies what you need to learn and how you need to work can take a lot of the pressure off. You don't have to start with a brand new idea. Start with what you already know, your experience, your skills, your interests, something you're passionate about helping people with. Then ask yourself, who could I help? And what problem could I help them solve? That's your starting point. You don't need everything figured out, just a starting point that makes sense for you. If you've spent years building a career and juggling responsibilities, you don't want your next chapter to be another complicated job. Look for something that teaches basics step by step, fits your strengths, and gives you real structure. I had experience and skills, but didn't know how to turn that into online income. I discovered a digital, done-for-you business model, one that gives structure and training without needing to dance on TikTok, become an influencer, or message strangers.
Download the free guide at Simply Better and explore this simple option for yourself.